6 causes of memory loss. Alzheimer's is a type of brain disease. Due to this disease, people's memory is lost. In this disease, nerve cells, information-carrying nerve fibers, and nerve connections are destroyed. The areas of the brain where memories are stored are mainly affected by this disease. Disappointingly, no effective cure for this disease has been discovered so far. However, dementia can be prevented if you are aware. According to experts, if the body is healthy, then the brain will be healthy. They emphasized on eating balanced food and regular exercise for health. In addition to being physically healthy, mental health is also necessary to keep the brain functioning. Why does Alzheimer's occur? Without regular sleep, the brain does not get the rest it needs. People who suffer from insomnia for a long period of time may experience memory loss. A recent study on elderly people found that those who have been exposed to environmental pollution for a long time have a higher rate of memory loss. So want to save memory pollution-free environment. Brain is also damaged due to diet. Eating too much or eating less than needed can cause memory loss. Long-term loneliness and depression can lead to memory loss. According to several studies, memory loss is more common in patients with high blood pressure. If someone in the family has a history of memory loss in the past, people may be affected by this disease. That is why it is important for those who have such a history in the family to refrain from any work that puts pressure on the brain.